What is up, everyone? Welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Paul. I'm from the Hustle Husbands, where we talk a lot about eBay dropshipping. Today, I'm going to give you my January 2018 income report. I'm really excited to bring you this income report because this is the most we've ever made in 1 month through eBay dropshipping. So let's just get right into it. I'll show you all the numbers. So first, let's take a look at the income. We had $195,927.62 worth of sales minus the returns. So this was our biggest sales month yet, even bigger than December, which is traditionally the biggest month of the year. Everyone says that January is a really slow month. Obviously, that wasn't the case for us. I think that was because we really focus on items that have sustainable interest, not items that are like seasonal or that people would only buy during the holidays. So that's what we focused on. And also at the end of December, when things slow down, instead of slowing down ourselves, we just listed a lot of items at the end of December, which I think really helped. In addition to the sales, we also had $795 in cash back from PayPal, $1,200 from our Capital One credit card, and $1,300 from Giving Assistant. That's all cash back that we received just for shopping online, basically free money. It's my favorite income because it's just so easy. So this is a look inside my PayPal account. You see the dates are from January 1st to January 31st. Total sales is showing $210,000. That's a little higher than what I showed you on the slideshow, and that's because this also includes cash back that was paid to me through Giving Assistant, and it also doesn't reflect returns that I did through eBay. So these are my numbers. You'll see some days were really good, over $8,000 in a day. Some days were lower, $5,900. I don't think I had any days under $5,000. So overall, a really strong month. And then this is givingassistant.com. This will show all the payments that were paid out to me in January. You'll see payments of $478, $544. This one was only $43, $385, $419, $447. So that really adds up quickly. It's a nice way to get some extra cash just by shopping through Giving Assistant. If you guys want to check out Giving Assistant for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. It'll take you right there, and you'll get $5 just for signing up. So let's now look at the expenses, because of course not all of this is profit. So these are the expenses. PayPal fees were $8,700. eBay fees were almost $18,000. Cost of goods was $151,000. I spent $3,200 on virtual assistants. These virtual assistants do everything for me. They purchase the items, they do the customer service, they take care of returns and cases. They do everything. The last thing on the list is $790 for various softwares and subscriptions like TrackerBot, which automatically uploads tracking numbers to eBay, Reply Manager, which we use to kind of keep track of who's answering which messages, because we have 2 virtual assistants that answer messages. I do the hard ones, so that helps keep it all very organized. GoDaddy Bookkeeping, which I'm not going to use anymore, but we did use it this past month. DSM Tool, and Grasshopper, which is a phone service so that people don't call my phone anymore. Add up all the income, subtract all the expenses, and our total profit for January 2018 is $18,466.35. So this was a huge month, our biggest profit yet. It beat out December by just a little bit. Obviously, I'm really excited by this, but I have to admit, I'm a little disappointed. I really wanted to cross $20,000 in profit. Ordinarily, I wouldn't be disappointed by this, but we came so close, and I just made a couple of little mistakes that ate into our profit a little bit. One of the things that cut into our profit a little bit was that I had my virtual assistants doing more work on the store. That way I could spend less time doing it, which really isn't something that I'm complaining about. That's a good thing, because I've only spent about an hour a day working on the store. They do everything else. The second reason that the store didn't grow as much in January is because I spent a lot of time working on eBay Dropshipping Titans, my course, which goes through everything that I know about eBay dropshipping, everything that helped me build this business that now makes me $18,000 a month in profit. So that's, again, not something I'm complaining about. That's a good thing. I'm really glad I got the course out. It's been helping a lot of people out. They really enjoy it. So that, of course, is not a bad thing. Really, the third thing is what really cut into my profit a lot. And that was that I tried a new source in January. I tried using Bed Bath & Beyond. I'd been using them in December a little bit, testing them. They worked really great. So I went all in January, listed a ton of their products, sold a lot of their products. And then at some point I realized that they had been canceling my sales for 2 weeks, not even telling me about it. So I had 2 weeks of sales that I had to cancel. I tried everything to place the orders, but Bed Bath & Beyond somehow flagged my account, flagged my IP address. Every time I tried to buy something, the order was canceled. So I had a lot of cancel sales, a lot of negative feedback that took a lot of work to get removed. And the worst part is that I now have over $2,000 in Bed Bath & Beyond gift cards that are just sitting on my computer and I don't know what to do with them. So if I did not have those gift cards, if I had actually been refunded the $2,000 onto a credit card instead, then we would have surpassed $20,000 in profit. But because I'm sitting on those $2,000 worth of gift cards, we didn't quite reach it. But hopefully next month we will get over the $20,000 mark. Cross our fingers, hope that happens. But if you guys want to make sure that you see that video, because I will be doing an income report for February, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you guys like this video, if you think it motivated you somehow or inspired you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps. And if you guys have any questions about eBay dropshipping, leave them in the comments below. I answer them during my live Q&A each Tuesday night at 8 p.m. right here on this channel. If you want to make sure you don't miss that, make sure to hit the little bell underneath this video after you subscribe, and it will give you an alert on your phone as soon as we go live so that you don't miss it. Now this Tuesday, we will be doing our regular Q&A, but the week after that, on February 13th, we will actually be giving away, as part of a contest, 2 free entries to my course. So if you want to figure out how you can be entered to win that, click the first link in the description below. That's going to tell you everything you need to know about how to make sure that you're entered to win both of these free entries to the course. Again, this is my eBay Dropshipping Titans course, the one that goes through everything that I know about eBay dropshipping, everything that I've done to build this store that now earns me $18,000 in 1 month. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.